In this tutorial, we'll be creating a facial recognition security system using Java. This project will leverage OpenCV, a powerful library for computer vision. Before we begin, let's ensure we have all the prerequisites. We'll need the following: Java Development Kit, JDK, installed on our machine, version 8 or higher. Apache Maven for managing project dependencies. OpenCV library for image processing, which we will add as a dependency in our Maven project. Basic knowledge of Java and how Maven works. Let's start by creating a new Maven project. Open your terminal and execute the following commands. This command creates a new Maven project with the specified group ID and artifact ID. Once the project is created, navigate to the project directory. Next, we need to add OpenCV dependencies to our pom.xml file. Open the file and add the following dependency inside the Dependencies tag. After updating the pom.xml, let's create a new Java class named Face Recognition Security. This is where our main application logic will live. To capture faces, we will use HAR Cascade classifier. Let's prepare our classifier by adding the following code inside the main method. Make sure to provide the correct path to the HAR Cascade XML file. You can download it from the OpenCV repository. We will next capture video from the webcam. Here's how to do it. We create a new video capture object, which helps us to access the webcam input. Now that we have the webcam access, let's set up a loop to capture frames and process them. Here's a code snippet to accomplish that. Next, we need to detect faces in the captured frames. We will implement face detection using the detect multi-scale method of the Cascade classifier. Add the following code inside the loop. Let's also display the processed frame in a window. We will use HiGUA.imshow for this purpose. Add the following line inside the loop. To keep the loop running smoothly, we need to check for keyboard input to exit the loop. Let's add a key event handler. Finally, we need to release the camera and destroy all OpenCV windows when we're done. Right before the end of the main method, add the following code. Now it's time to run our application. Use the following command in your terminal. Once you run the application, you should see a window displaying the webcam feed with rectangles drawn around any detected faces. With this basic face detection set up, we can now expand it to recognize faces. We will need to collect face data, create a training dataset, and train a face recognizer model. To gather face data, create a method that captures images from the webcam and saves them in a designated directory for future training. Here's a snippet you could use. Once you have enough images collected, you can train your facial recognition model. We'll use the Fisher Face Recognizer for this purpose. Now, during the main loop, after detecting faces, use the model to recognize them. Here's how you could implement the recognition part. To map the label to a recognizable name, create a helper function like this. And that's it. You now have a basic facial recognition security system in Java using OpenCV. In this tutorial, we've walked through the entire process, from setting up our environment to capturing faces and recognizing them. For further enhancements, consider implementing features like attendance tracking or notifications upon recognizing a specific person. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Java programming content. Thank you for watching. Happy coding!